Hi everyone, it's Gagajoy at Gagajoy's Cooking. Today we're going to make something real special, so I'm glad you dropped in. I've been trying to make this cake for 3 weeks, and every time I get strawberries, some little mouse eats them. So today I went to the grocery store and I got my strawberries, so I decided to make the cake today. And it's a strawberry cake. I'm using just a super white mix or vanilla mix, either one you want to use. And you use a 3-ounce box of strawberry jello in it. I've got my oven heating to 350. And I've got my pans. They suggested that you use parchment paper, I assume because the strawberries maybe get sticky or something when they cook. So I greased my parchment paper and my pan. So let's see, 2 eggs, I remember seeing my mother make a cake, and it was so complicated. Bless her heart. Now, and a cup of water. Half cup of canola oil or vegetable oil. Now, you're going to add 3 extra tablespoons of flour and 3 extra tablespoons of sugar. I'm sure it has to do with the strawberries. But it is such a beautiful cake. I hope it turns out as pretty as it has before. Okay, I've got my cake all fluffed up. Now I'm going to add a cup of strawberries. I cut them up real thin. Oh, this is strawberry season. When you get strawberries that's sweet and red like they were today, I'm thinking, oh goodness, we just crossed over to strawberry season. In the wintertime, they're big and pathy and don't have any flavor, but this one does. So I did eat a few. Okay. Get it all in there. They look about the same. Now what's even better about this, it has a strawberry buttercream. So, like I said, I've been waiting to make this cake. If you do that, you'll see how many bubbles pop up. See? Okay, so I'm going to put it in the oven 350 for about 25 minutes. And in the meantime, I'm going to make my buttercream. Well, the cake is out of the oven. I've been letting it cool. I'm getting ready to do the buttercream icing. It's 2 sticks of butter. And a half a cup of the strawberries. there's no other way to do that than by hand so that you don't get smacked in the face with all the sugar. You don't have to do this, but you may, since I'd already opened this bag of sugar, I thought it better, it might have some lumps in it. And it looks like it did. The cake looks real pretty. I mean, you could tell the strawberries are in it. And these two. I'm sure we'll have to add a little cake coloring to make it come out to the color of the cake. But maybe not. We'll just wait and see. I knew this was going to go everywhere. Let me get it mixed up before I put the beaters on it, because you talk about a cloud of smoke. It makes a cloud of smoke. I think this is probably the best icing there is the buttercream. Pull this off now. Oh, that's so good. That is so good. And it's a perfect texture. I mean, it's just thick enough. That's what you call luck. Of course, you know this is where my artistic ability kicks in. I have no artistic ability. It'll be kicking all day. When I took the cake out of the pan, it did stick a little bit around the edges, so you'll have to run a knife around the edges because it did stick a little bit. I was a little bit shocked, but I guess the strawberries does just make it turn to a little bit jelly. I can't help but my fingers. Now you can mash these strawberries up more than I did if you want to, but I think it looks pretty like this. Well, that covered it pretty good, didn't it? Well, there's my strawberry cake after all. Doesn't it look pretty? That's off the side a little bit. Well, it was worth it. I'm sure we're going to enjoy it this evening. Remember the joy, take care of yourself, subscribe, ring that bell, and we'll see you soon.